All right, what's going on YouTube? Marcus Czar here, and we're on DeFiHop.com, and this is a website where you go to find anything related to decentralized finance. That's what DeFi stands for, and it's a cool site. It's being built out, and I'm really heavy into DeFi, and it says right here simply what DeFi is. It stands for decentralized finance. This new emerging field is related to finance. Imagine a global open alternative to every financial service you use today, like savings, lending, borrowing, insurance, and more, right? We know these stuff already in the traditional financial markets. Accessible to anyone in the world with a smartphone and internet connection, decentralized finance is powered by code that is running on the decentralized infrastructure of the Ethereum blockchain. And this is Ethereum right here. Well, it's not this crypto, that's Compound. But if you go home to CoinGecko.com, you'll see Ethereum, which is ranked number 2. So, yeah. So, Ethereum is definitely valuable in what they're trying to do. So, read up on it. But we're on DeFiHop.com, and I'm going to show you guys one of the best tools to use for your analytics if you're building out your portfolio or if you're a trader. For anything if you want to do, right? If you just want to get started with crypto, this is the place to be at. So I'm going to just go ahead and log out of mine so you guys can see the home page. Crypto Portfolio Tracker. This is live analytics, and it's cool, man. So it can help you out on your strategy and how to go about things in this whole new space of crypto, because crypto is very volatile, and I don't want you guys to go all in on something because you guys are not going to really stomach the moves and the high ups and downs and lows. Crypto is the wild wild west a little bit, but it's fun and you'll learn from it. So that's what I'm gonna do and show you guys how I'm going about it. So all you gotta do is just put your email and password, right? Sign up. It's real simple, and you just log in. So I'm gonna just go ahead and log into mine because I already got it. All right, so this is my account, right? So I got my own portfolio that I created for mine, which is DeFi coins, because I'm into the DeFi space, right? Decentralized finance, because I feel like this sector is the most active. It really is, but that's a fact. But I'm just really bullish in this whole space, and I think there's huge opportunities. So I created a portfolio and mine. And before I create one, so you guys just see how this works, let's just take a look into mine. It's not looking good right now, right? So what I'm doing with my strategy, I'm using $100,000, right? So I'm using a original investment of $100,000, but so far, right, I'm doing a method called dollar cost averaging. So I'm going into my positions little by little, right? I'm not betting the whole house into one position, into one trade, right? I'm going to spread it out so I can, protect against this volatility, right? So I won't have to look at stuff like this when I open my account, right? So you guys won't get a heart attack. So let me go ahead and zoom this in. And this is good, man. So this is just use this as a training field, right, for this live crypto tracker. It's going to help you guys out and just become a more better retail investor. And as you guys can see, I got 27,000 so far, right? I'm going to keep buying into it, right? I see some opportunities as well, so we're going to buy one that I've been looking at. So you got realize, which stands for PL. That just means profit and loss. I haven't sold anything, so that's why it shows 0, right? I'm here for the long term. I'm really trying to grow this to $1 million. And then you can see unrealized PL and then total PL. So unrealized PL just means unrealized profit and loss. So this means that I haven't, it's just a number on the screen. It shows me that yes, I am down, right? I am down $1,749. However, I haven't sold anything, so technically I'm still in the green, right? I believe I'm in the green because I'm bullish. So this is just the screen just show me this. So I'm in a loss, but if this was green, it showed that just means it's, profit, right? And you got total, right? And then total PL just means how much profit and loss that I have so far, and it just shows you the percentage. And it's pretty much the same as unrealized, so the numbers just pretty much add up and just gives you a percentage sign of it as well. And then as you guys can see here, you got the best. What's my best asset with the greatest profit and loss. So far, Chainlink is the best performer in my portfolio. And then my worst performer so far is Ren. But like I said, I know what's going on with Ren, and I did my whole homework and everything, so I'm not too concerned about it. But if you're new to this, you should be looking at this stuff, right? You should be like, okay, what's the best? What's the worst? Do I need to make adjustments? But I'll show you how to do all that stuff down the line. Then you got minimum value. How much money that I put minimally rise historically on the market value. Then you got your max, how much I pick on the historical market value of my portfolio, and then you got the volatility, which is what, 1.02%. So it's not that bad. So you can see the summary there. Then you got transactions, right? You can see how much quantity I have, what's the purchase price I purchased, Ren at, which is 89 cents, is currently trading at 77 cents. It cost me $10,000 for this purchase, and the market value for this is $8,793. Just means that so far I did put original $10,000 in here, but now since the market is down, I'm negative, right? This amount right here. So it's not that bad. So that's that on that. And as you can see, PL, profit and loss, PL, and a percentage. So I will dive more into this so you guys could get a better understanding. But if you go to composition, you can see everything by investment, link, AVE, RAND, just how everything is performing in my portfolio. And then you can see as well what's my market value and then what's my return. So that's just a little data. But let's go ahead and go and back to the menu. Then you just go to portfolio, and all you will need to do is hit create portfolio. Real simple. You can name it anything you want. I can just name this DeFi coins number 2 if I want to build another portfolio separately, and I can make a description of this and pick my currency, which is going to be US dollar because I'm in the States. Just hit create, and then it's going to give you this blank screen here, which is pretty much your home, right? If I go to menu, portfolios, and you guys can see, then I got my view, edit button, share, and trash can. So I'm going to go to view, and then I'm going to create a transaction, and then I can pick any coin that I want, right? So you guys are probably new to this, so you guys are probably used to Bitcoin. So just go to Bitcoin and make sure it's the right one. So BTC, just use a ticker symbol BTC, it'll give you the correct one. How much quantity? Let's just say 1 Bitcoin, right? And what's my purchase price? Your purchase price will be the current price of Bitcoin right now, which is currently at what, $39,272. 39727. 272. So 2272. That's the purchase price for the date. Today is Saturday, or I could change this, backdate this if I want to, but I'm just put Saturday, hit create. Boom, voila. I got some Bitcoin, and I'm tracking this live to see if my portfolio is going to do good, right? Did I get in at a good price, or, I just want to see the performance of how everything's going in this market, right? Just in plain and right? Just real simple, real easy to understand this. And this is the crypto portfolio tracker on DeFiHop.com. So check it out, man. It's free. I want to help you guys out so you guys can definitely not lose money. Definitely earn that money and track your performance, right? You want to get better at this stuff. It takes time. It takes practice. You're not going to get better if you don't practice on how to navigate into, investing, either that's stocks or crypto. So same philosophy, but we're talking about crypto. Markets are. Share this video, like this video. Hope this helped you guys out. And as you guys can see, my portfolio is kind of down right now, but I'm not worried about it because I did my homework, and this is helping me see live what I need to hopefully change in my portfolio down the line. If not, then hopefully it will just grow and become profitable for me, right? Want to get that profit, but sometimes you just have to be patient. Markets are.